Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to overlay picture in WPS Office. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and after that you need to go to Picture. So I click here and then I select from this device. Now you need to select the image which you want to load. So for example, I'm going to select this one image and I click Open button. It has been successfully added to our document. So now if you want to overlay it, we need to click on this one option, Wrap Text. Choose how your text wraps around the selected objects. And here we have different types of wrapping text. I recommend you to select here in front of text, and then the effect will be applied to our picture. Of course, you can change position of this picture if you want. You can modify the size of this picture, or you can edit this effect in the wrap text settings. For example, you can select another effect like square, tight, through, top and bottom, or behind text. For example, I'm going to select here square. So everything depends on your preferences. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.